Now, in the last 2 days, we've seen a mad rush outside liquor shops, and Mumbai civic authorities have now decided to close all non-essential stores, including liquor shops in the city. Haryana has announced the opening of all liquor shops between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. except those in containment zones. Delhi has released a list of 172 liquor stores that will be allowed to open. In Telangana, liquor shops will open throughout the state from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. with the deployment of police personnel to ensure that norms are followed, that there is social distancing. No liquor will be sold to people not wearing masks. Liquor prices in the state of Telangana have been hiked by 16%. The sale of liquor is helping states fill in their coffers, and sources say that the Delhi government earned approximately 5 crore rupees from the sale of liquor on Tuesday. Karnataka earned a whopping 197 crores on day 2 of liquor sale.
More people are back on the roads as the country that stayed indoors for over 40 days looks to get back on its feet. The biggest crowds yet again were witnessed outside liquor stores in every city. From Delhi to Mumbai to Bengaluru. Hundreds waited for hours in serpentine queues to get their bottles. States, their coffers fast depleting, are also trying to raise revenues. In the national capital, the government has announced a 70% corona tax on liquor, ostensibly to keep crowds away, but that doesn't seem to have worked.
70% टैक्स बढ़ने का किसी को कोई गम नहीं है। ये एक देश के लिए हमारी तरफ से एक डोनेशन है, एक दान है।
इससे एक्चुअली में गवर्नमेंट को भी थोड़ा फायदा ही है। वैसे तो पब्लिक पैसा देगी नहीं, कम से कम इस माध्यम से गवर्नमेंट के पास कुछ अर्निंग होगी जिससे वो कोरोना की इस लड़ाई को लड़ने के लिए पैसा खर्च कर सकेगी।
Hardly 5 or 6 people are standing in the queue, but do not get confused as this line stretches for more than 5 kilometers. There is a small gate which has been made by police, and we go outside of this gate, and from this area till that point this line stretches for more than 2 kilometers. See, people have been standing in queues since morning. They have been waiting for their turn patiently. As you can see, there's very less distance between them. So social distance is very easily being compromised.
In a double whammy for Delhiites, the state government has increased diesel prices by 7.10 rupees per litre and 1.67 rupees per litre for petrol. In maximum city Mumbai, the COVID scare didn't stop people from throwing social distancing norms to the wind for their share of liquor.
People are buying huge quantity of liquor over here, but the most important part over here is that people are not following the social distancing norms. You can see Mumbai police officials also present over here. They are here continuously appealing to the people that they should follow the lockdown rules, the social distancing rules, but people are not listening at all.
In the south, Andhra Pradesh government has followed the Delhi model. It has hiked taxes on liquor by 75%. The crowds at liquor stores in cities have prompted some other states to do a rethink. The Tamil Nadu government has chosen not to open liquor stores in Chennai, citing the spike in COVID cases in the city. The fear now is, will the opening up undo the gains of the 40-day lockdown? With Devanshu Tomar and Saurabh Bhaktania, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.